The state of Jharkhand, India's 28th state, is bound by Bihar on the north, West Bengal in the east, Orissa in the south, and Chhattisgarh and UP in the west. According to the 2011 census, with 28% of the state, population comprise tribal communities. One of the traditionally harvested forest-based commodities is lac. Lac is a product of commerce derived from a specialized group of plant bugs commonly known as lac insects. Lac insects thrive on twigs of certain plant species, suck the plant sap, secreting lac resin from their bodies. It is a source of three basic materials, namely resin, dye, and wax used in the products of furniture polish, dyes, and artisan crafts, among others. Jharkhand is one of the main states in India known for the production of lac. Earlier, villagers did not prune their trees on time, and spraying of pesticides to protect lac insects. Laxifier Laca Care. In 2013, Poorest Area Civil Society (PACS) has supported Udyogini to work with 8,000 socially excluded families in Gumla district of Jharkhand. During the conceptualization phase, various campaigns, meetings at Gram Sabha were organized to sensitize the local producers towards scientific cultivation of lac. Udyogini, along with PACS, has reduced production risks by using improved package of practice, that is, Package of Scientific Cultivation of Lac, PSCL, recommended by IINRG, Indian Institute for Natural Resin and Gums, in lac cultivation, and have piloted a self-sustained model of cultivation in the insurgency-affected blocks of Gumla district in Jharkhand state. Pruning of host plant is essential for any strain of lac, since this is directly involved with the productivity of the particular host plant. Correct quantity of brood lac, neither less nor more, should be used for inoculation. Ordinarily, a well-covered healthy brood lac stick gives adequate larval settlement over 15 to 20 times its length on the twigs of the tree to be infected, and hence, brood lac at this rate should be used for inoculation. The process of cutting the mature lac from the respective host trees is known as harvest. For harvest as well, there is a particular time for each strain. After harvest, the producer generally rotates the brood in different host trees.
2013 से जब से उद्योगिनी आई है, तब से हम लोग को लाख के बारे में अच्छा ढंग से सीखा है। पहले तो हम लोग कुछ नहीं जान रहे थे और ऐसे ही लगा रहे थे, मर भी जा रहा था पहले। और अभी जब उद्योगिनी के माध्यम से जो दादा लोग हैं, वो लोग हम लोग को सिखाए और दवाई के बारे में बताए, लाभ ऐसा लगाइए वैसा लगाइए बोले, उसी को देख के सुन के सीखे। पहले से ज़्यादा अभी मुनाफा हो रहा है हम लोग को।
To ensure maximum productivity, lac cultivation requires timely spray on the standing crop. Transparency has been ensured by involving PRI members under the banner of Project Monitoring Committee, PMC.
मेरे पंचायत में भी मैं अनुभव करती हूँ कि जब से लाख का ये फसल किसानों ने करना शुरू किया है, लोग काफ़ी खुश हैं और मैं भी कोऑपरेटिव की एक सदस्य हूँ। लाख के फसल होने के बाद में लोगों में काफ़ी खुशी का माहौल दिखाई देता है, इसलिए मैं उद्योगिनी और पैक्स को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ।
20 brood farms have been created under the PACS program to provide sufficient supply of brood from within the cluster during the time of inoculation. Udyogini creates a cadre of women which is known as Business Development Service Providers, BDSPs, who takes over the charge for running the program smoothly once Udyogini exits.
जब इस क्षेत्र में उद्योगिनी आई तो हमको एक BDSP के रूप में चुना गया और लाह के बारे में प्रशिक्षण के लिए कामडरा गए और वहाँ से वैज्ञानिक तरीके से लाह खेती के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त हुई। जानकारी के बाद गांव में महिलाओं को हमने बताया और उन्होंने भी इस रीति से खेती करने के लिए सोचा और सभी करने में उत्सुक है।
Flemingia semialata is a perennial shrub which is quick growing, almost 3 meters in 1 year, an input responsive kusumi lark host. VLSC, a doorstep market has been created where lark and other produce has been aggregated.
कमरा में BLC का ट्रेनिंग लिए थे, 2-3 बार ट्रेनिंग लिए थे। वहाँ कमरा ट्रेनिंग लेके हम रांची गए थे ट्रेनिंग। रांची में 4 दिन ट्रेनिंग लिए थे।
8 cooperatives have been formed to make the value chain model sustainable.